Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing great. So we are back again with yet another product, and this time guys, this is a product, it's a must for during the winters in certain places across India. ये प्रोडक्ट बहुत जगह पे लगेगा, यूज़ भी हो रहा है अभी, और ये है प्रोडक्ट रूम हीटर. This is a room heater guys that we have got from the brand of Amazon Solimo. This is an in-house brand of Amazon. So I have personally purchased this product and I am using it in my other flat, and I have got one more. So let us quickly go ahead and look into this product and see what are the things that we are getting. इसका प्राइस क्या है, इसका प्रोडक्ट का फीचर्स क्या क्या है, क्या ये वैल्यू फॉर मनी एक प्रोडक्ट है या नहीं. आइए इसको अनबॉक्स करते हैं और चलिए आगे देखते हैं इसमें हम लोगों को क्या क्या मिलता है. सबसे गाइस पहले बोलता हूँ सिंपल पैकेजिंग. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गाइस इट हैज़ कम्स विद अ सिंपल पैकेजिंग, नॉट मच ऑफ अ पैकेजिंग ओवर हियर. We can see the details mentioned over here. You have the price mentioned, 2000 rupees. It's a manufacturing date, the color, the variant and things like that is mentioned on the back side. Normally, let us now quickly open it and see what are the things that we are getting. Okay, so we have a wrapper. Let me just pull the wrapper out, keep this side. Okay, what else? So you have got a safety and instruction manual from the brand over here, as you can see. Now apart from that, there's nothing else in this guys. Okay, I can see the room heater. Let me just pull this out for you. Okay, पैकेजिंग अच्छा है, इज नाइस पैकेजिंग गाइस, बढ़िया पैकेजिंग है. इसको अभी के लिए मैं नीचे रख देता हूँ ताकि प्रोडक्ट अच्छे से आप लोग को दिखा सकूँ. ओके, फर्स्ट थिंग्स गाइज, इसको ओपन करने के लिए आफ्टर अनबॉक्सिंग इट, फर्स्ट थिंग्स गाइज दैट कम्स इनटू माय नोटिस इज दिस प्लग. So this is not a normal 3-pin plug, 3 ampere plug that can put into any other socket which we have it in the point. This is a 16 ampere 3-pin plug which is given over here. So you will need a socket which supports 16 ampere. You need to keep this thing in mind. Cable length is not that big, max 1 to 1.2 meters in length. Now keeping this aside, okay, the first thing that I notices is there is something to hold. So you have this hanger over here with which we can hold. Hard plastic material. You have holes made over here on this side as well as on this side for air circulation. The hot air outlet is over here. So the flow of the air is going to be like this. You can also put it like this. The air flow will go from here. Now you can see they have already mentioned over here that do not cover. So at times we place a cover over there, we use a room heater cover, or we put a blanket so the dust don't fall, but don't do that, that will block the air circulation and or it may also affect in catching fire. Now there are two switches over here, so this move in this direction. Just to give you a close-up of the video guys, so this is how the heater looks like. Let's see. This switch over here guys that you can see is basically to increase the intensity of the heat, or to increase the temperature of the flow of air that's going to come out. That is for this. And this over here guys, the best thing is this is off mode. Now this mode that we come into is a fan mode. So in summers you can use it as a fan as well. You have a fan mode. Now there is a heating mode which is normal heating, and if it's very cold and you need to increase it, the intensity, there is another heating. So there are two levels of heating, one, then level 2, and also the fan mode. So this is a good thing guys. In the other heaters, most of the heaters don't have the fan mode, or there is one mode of heating. Now guys, coming up to the price of the product. So this product guys, I have purchased it from Amazon और ये मेरे को प्राइस पड़ा है 899 rupees. Yes guys, I've got this product at a discounted price of 899. Currently the product is available in Amazon at a price of 1000 rupees. The price generally varies between 899 to 1200 rupees. It's a good product. So let me tell you, I have been using this in one of my houses for the last 1.5 months. There has been no issue. Yes, there was one small incident, वो एक था, मैं आपको बताऊंगा क्या हुआ था. Other than that, इस प्रोडक्ट के लिए मेरे को कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुआ था. If you're on heating mode 1, so you have to like keep it turned on for at least 10 to around 15 minutes. और अगर heating mode 2 में हो तुम, जो intensity which increases the intensity level, then it takes around 10 minutes and the room is properly hot guys, I can tell you. And once a room is heated properly, around for the next 1 to 1.5 hours, you can be rest assured. So you can imagine in a 10 minutes of this room heater working, for 1 to 1.5 hour of room can be kept hot. So if you keep it for 1 hour, 1.5 hours, easily for 4-5 hours you can have your room properly hot. Now one more important thing guys that you need to keep in mind is this, which I was talking about, is about the switch. This is a 13 ampere, this is a 16 ampere plug socket that will only support. What happened earlier, I was using it on my 3 ampere socket, so there was a hot sound boom. So what happened, the fuse fell. I was using a Wipro multi-adapter, so the multi-adapter got burned. The main socket also had little bit of burn. Other than that, everything was fine. The fuse did not got blown up. Later on, I have gone ahead and I have called a person from Urban Company, not promoting them. I mean, basically I've called an electrician who has gone ahead and installed a 16 ampere switchboard over there. So this is how the 16 ampere switchboard looks like. So you can see there is the switch and there is socket. So I've used, the brand is Crafty, again not sponsoring them, just the one that was available. So you can use 3 ampere 3-pin plugs as well as you can use 16 amperes. Now one thing I would like to tell you guys, if you're using Havells or Crafty, the 16 ampere socket products are going to be of hard plastic material. If you're using brands like Pritham or something, then the back side of the 3 ampere socket is going to be of metal. Okay, so this is the 16 ampere, so you need to click it and you need to just press this, and here is our heater. Let me show you. This is how it looks, the heater, you can see guys. So there is an indicator light, so this is how it's. Now once I turn the heater on, see the light goes turned on. Once I've turned it on, this is on the top heating mode. This is the normal mode, this is a fan mode, and this is the current off mode. And you have the indicators, the level of temperature, it moves on a clockwise. This is. Now let me also tell you guys, when you turn on the room heater at different fan and heating modes, you will have a sound. The sound, there will be a faint sound. I'll give you a idea of how the sound is going to be. It's going to be very faint. You won't have much loud sound. It's very faint. So just hear it guys. And I hope you can hear the sound coming out from this guys. I hope you can hear the sound. The sound is coming out. There's a very faint sound that comes out from it guys. Now, so basically guys, this was a quick short video, a review video that I wanted to share with about this product, which is an Amazon Solimo room heater, which is a savior at many places like in Delhi, in the northern eastern parts of the country. So this is a must-have product. So, and this product doesn't even cost much. It's a steal deal. You can easily buy it and it will work properly. I have been using it on Amazon. In-house brand warranty is for 1 year. So if there's any problem, they will come and pick up this product. If they can repair it, they will repair it for you, or else they will go ahead and send you a brand new one. Okay, so by now guys, I hope you have got an idea about this product, how this product is going to perform, whether it's a value for money a product or not guys. Now let me tell you, in terms of build quality of this product, I will give it 3.5 out of 5. In terms of functionalities and product specifications, I will give it 4.5 out of 5. Now in terms of price, again I'll give it a 4.5. And in whether it's a value for whether it's a value for money product, whether you should go for it or not, thumbs up for my end guys. I will again give it a 4.5 out of 5. It's a must have, especially at the price point it's operating. It's the size is good, you can see it's not that huge, it doesn't look that big. You can see it's slim, trim, it looks compact. So with that, I think yes, you can go for it. It's a thumbs up from my end. So now with that guys, we come to the end of today's video. I hope by now you have already subscribed to our YouTube channel, Let's Review with Krish. If not, please pause the video now and subscribe the channel, and also hit the bell icon so that whenever a video is uploaded, you get notified. Guys, you can also follow our Facebook and Instagram page. The link is in the description. You'll also get to see it in the screen somewhere here. You can check our other product review videos also. There are multiple review videos which we have shared in this channel. I will attach it in the I button and also in the description below. So that's it from my end today guys. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Do like, share, subscribe to our channel. If you have any queries, get back to us. Put in your questions in the comment. If there's any feedbacks, any specific videos you want to see, please you can drop us a message on Instagram, on Facebook. The channel name and the page name is absolutely, it's the same, Let's Review with Krish. And I hope you have liked the video. Please press the like button if you have enjoyed watching this video, and share this video with your all friends and family members across India. Also guys, don't forget to press the subscribe button. Thank you. Have a good evening guys.